Are we on our nature walk?
No, that way.
No, not that way, honey. That doesn't go anywhere. Want to go see if we find the black beetle again?
Where's black beetle?
Back this way. Follow the trail.
I'm going faster than you.
You are. Don't go too fast, though.
Why?
Because I don't want you to trip on a rock.
Yeah.
Haley's on a nature walk. Baby Ty is sleeping in here. Don't know if you can see. Sorta, kinda. Oh, baby.
No.
What?
Oh no, oh, black beetle over there.
The black beetle's over there?
Right there.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
He can't hurt us, remember? We're lots bigger than him.
We love him.
Hmm?
Hurry. Black beetle. We tell me. Black beetle. Black beetle. We tell me.
Keep going. I don't see him yet. What other things do you see along the trail?
I see rocks.
Rocks. What else?
Where's black beetle?
You're still looking for the black beetle.
Yeah. I want to see by us. We strong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we really close to black beetle. They fly the forest.
All right. Say bye to the video.
Bye.